was. And you notice that I just pointed at it, and up came the screen. Now I'm standing here, and I can actually choose the products that I want. I can see the products in general, and then I can keep adding to it. I can switch my page.
I'm watching
And I
another
can do ordering like
press
this.
guy
And so
explain this.
the concept here is that this could be the face of a vending machine, but if you really want to think about it, and you think about the concept of online, not online, but tableside ordering or ordering kiosks, this is a different way because you actually can change what's on the screen. They can see it in a format that they know and it makes some sense. So I asked these guys about this particular product because I'm standing, maybe about 2 feet away. But I'm told that actually I can stand about 3 feet away or 4 feet away, not necessarily with this one because of this particular camera, but let's think about this. People have been looking at ways to do the drive-through, and they've been thinking about how can they do voice for drive-through or other things. What if the person's able actually to still be in their car and just actually point at the items that they want to select them and put things together, rather than having to actually talk to somebody? It's sort of like a self-service kiosk at the car. You think about some of the companies like Sonic that have the car stalls where you go and they have the things there. So it's a very interesting concept because it's using a regular screen. These guys are a software company, and using the camera on top, that's all it's about. But they can do distance. There's some other things in this booth that also tie together. While they are showing different parts and pieces, the concept of putting it all together makes a lot of sense.